Hi alle sammen, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the Norwegian Language School. Today we will talk about how to greet someone in Norwegian. When traveling to Norway or meeting Norwegians anywhere in the world, it's always beneficial to know some basic greetings in the native tongue. Not only does it display a sense of respect towards their culture, but also instantly warms the atmosphere. In the discussion today, we will dive into some basic Norwegian greetings that you can use to make a good impression. Basic greetings. God dag, god dag, god dag, good day. Hallo, 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 hello. Hi, 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 hi. These are general greetings you can use at any time of the day. Time-specific greetings. God morgen, god morgen, god morgen, good morning. Typically used in early hours of the day. God ettermiddag, god ettermiddag, god ettermiddag, good afternoon. Used afternoon, but before evening. God kveld, god kveld, god kveld, good evening. Used in the evening, generally after work hours. God natt, god natt, god natt, good night. This is used before going to bed or when parting ways for the night. Asking how are you? Hvordan går det? Hvordan går det? Hvordan går det? How is it going? Hvordan har du det? Hvordan har du det? Hvordan har du det? How are you? Both of these phrases are common ways to inquire about someone's well-being. The typical reply to this is det går bra, det går bra, det går bra, it's going well, or just bra, 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 good. Casual and friendly greetings. Hei sann, hei sann, hei sann, casual hi or hey. Halla, 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 another informal way of saying hi. Hva skjer, hva skjer, hva skjer, what's up. Saying goodbye. Ha det bra, ha det bra, ha det bra. Goodbye or take care. Vi ses, vi ses, vi ses, see you. Adieu, 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 farewell, more formal. Other useful expressions. Takk, 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 thank you. Vær så snill, vær så snill, vær så snill, please. Unnskyld, 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 excuse me, sorry. Cultural notes. Formality level. Norwegians are known for their down-to-earth and casual manner, so even in formal settings, greetings can be quite relaxed. However, always pay attention to context. It's safer to use more formal greetings if you're in a business setting or meeting someone for the first time. Physical greetings. Among friends and family, it's common to greet with a hug. However, a handshake is customary when meeting someone for the first time, especially in a formal setting. Knowing how to greet someone in Norwegian, even at the basic A1, A2 Norwegian level, can open doors and set the foundation for a warm and friendly interaction. As you progress in your language learning, you'll find that these greetings become second nature, and you'll be well on your way to deeper conversations and connections with Norwegians. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.